Hello, everybody out there in the land of make-believe. This is the holier than hell Reverend Mark Me Laughing Wolf Submortal Cheerleader to the Apocalypse and Diabolical Minion of Good. I'm going to go full max headroom on you guys today because I got a webcam and got a new computer. Got a new computer. Can't you see it? No, you can't see it because, boom, you're on the other side of it. I can't see you, can I? I was told I'd be able to see you. Can't. It's a lie. I'm taking it back. No, got a new webcam. By the way, this is not a Magooch video. It is a tips and tricks video. But I thought I'd just tell you guys I'm doing a whole bunch of stuff. I haven't been able to get out the videos like I like to. And it's been welling up inside me. Welling up? Is that a thing? How does something well up? I don't know. I'll have to look that up now. We have a weird language. In any case, people, tips and tricks, webcam video. Hope it doesn't suck. I think it probably does, but we'll find out. It's nice and comfortable sitting here. But the point of this video is tips and tricks, weather related tips and tricks. Got the autumn approaching, fall. We're in the fall season. And here in the Pacific Northwest, over there too, it gets windy and rainy, and we get weird weather. We get, we'll get omnidirectional drizzle typhoons, which are hard to deal with. So maybe a lot of you guys out there are new with the bicycles, especially with the electric bikes. Most electric bikes should be made so that you can ride them in the rain because they're outdoor things and it rains. So, I mean, there isn't really many places in the world you can expect to be outdoors and always know it's never going to rain. So, I know a lot of people are like, oh, what about these bikes in the rain? They're fine in the rain. You don't want to be putting them underwater. You don't want to be power hosing them down. It's really coming down, you don't want to be in it. It's dangerous just to be out there on a bicycle in that kind of weather. So get your bike out if it's coming down real bad and you can't see anything. You can waterlog a bike. It is possible to get so much water on an electric bike. It gets all up in there. So you do have to be kind of careful out there. But most weather you can ride in without any problems with the electronics on your bike. You got a new bike. Maybe you haven't put fenders on it yet. You want some rear fenders for sure. Probably some front fenders too, because man, that mud just gets all up and you get to strip up the back and you look like an idiot. Also, good tires. Check your tires. Maybe you don't have a new bike. You've had the bike for a while. You haven't checked your tires in a while. When it starts raining, first few rains of the year brings that oil up. Gets real slick out there. Gonna slide out, go sideways. Go sideways. Never gone over my handlebars, but I've gone sideways quite a few times. Don't like it. No, sir. Also, you want rain gear. So here's the big thing is if you want to be able to ride in the rain without being all upset about getting wet, which you might think, oh, no, I can rough it. No, man. You get out there, you get the rain on your face. You get the rain in your face. You're going up a hill, and it rains in your face, and the wind's at your back, and you don't know this car's coming and splashing on you. You want rain gear. You don't just want rain gear. You want good, solid rain gear. You want expensive rain gear. You want to save up and buy good rain gear. Don't buy just some frog togs. A lot of guys are up there. Oh, it's hard to get my frog togs on. I gotta get the rain off. I keep it in. Yeah, that's garbage. Frog togs are garbage. It's just a bunch of garbage. Had them, garbage. If you like them, great. Maybe you don't ride as much as some of us do. Now, I was riding 40 miles a day. Of course, y'all know this, but now I'm not riding I haven't ridden in like 2 weeks real substantially because I don't have my job that's 20 miles away anymore. So, but when I was, man, I needed solid rain gear. I needed solid rain gloves, rain jacket, yeah, the whole deal. I'll go over with you in a second. But the big thing to know is that you need to find the word waterproof, not water resistant. Water resistant is not water resistant. It's just kind of like a fun thing they say about some kind of fabrics because they soak through right away. I mean, a lot of stuff that even says it's waterproof isn't waterproof. It just soaks through, and especially here, here in the Pacific Northwest, especially here where I live, you get so much water on you that it is almost like being underwater. And I can get, if I'm lucky, I can get like 20 miles, like you get like 15 miles out of a pair of gloves before they're soaked through. It doesn't matter if they're the best waterproof gloves. I've got showers pass gloves, to the best waterproof gloves you can possibly get. And I still get, after about 15 miles of being out there in that omnidirectional drizzle typhoons, it'll soak through. It'll soak through. What I usually do is double layer, soak through the first layer, pull the second layer off when I stop smoking. Also, what you're going to need is a good jacket with things, the wrist things tight on the wrists, and you need to zip up all the way to your chin up to here. Hoodie, you put your hood on, put that under your helmet. You look like an idiot, but you're gonna be not wet. Some helmets are pretty good at keeping water out. I've had some helmets, I didn't have to cinch it up, but I like to have it up, get it over my ears. That's how I ride, and that's how I think you guys should check it out. You're going to need, so we got with your gloves, we got your jacket. You're going to need a good pair of pants. Columbia puts out some good pants. It's all black. Ladies, you guys got some good stuff. I'm going to start dressing in ladies' clothes here pretty soon because you guys got some good colors, some bright colors you can see. Guys, it's black or dark navy, dark blue. And man, I'm on a bike. I want to be seen, people. I'm going to check into some ladies stuff, and I'll get back to you on how that works out. Right now, I've got a light blue jacket I got a few years ago. I haven't been able to find it. It's a Columbia, and they don't make it now anymore. I don't know, maybe ladies, I don't know. But I'm just wearing that when it rains. I have a good red jacket, but it's for the winter, so it's too hot to wear right now. I'll probably wear it. So you got that, you get this, you get that, you got your hood, you're all good there. Now, you're on the bike. You got your rain gear on, you got your fenders on, you got the omnidirectional drizzle coming at you. What you're going to need is to watch out. There are things to watch out for people don't watch out for. I hear it all the time, especially people go over the front of their handlebars. They say, hey, you shouldn't put those spikes on your fenders. What if you go over the front of your handlebars? I'm like, why are you going over the front of your handlebars? Man, you just slide over it. But apparently, what is happening is, and what will happen is puddles will get you. Puddles will get you. Even if you're on a trail that you've been on 100 times, you've seen that puddle 100 times, you know there's nothing in it. Do not ride your bike through puddles. Go around puddles. So if you got to walk, you got to get off your bike and walk them through big puddle. Walk your bike. Don't ride through puddles because stuff hides in puddles. Stuff that wasn't there yesterday, rain washes it down. So you get a thing in a puddle, or sometimes that part of the road will get washed away, which is why there's a puddle. Wasn't a puddle there before? All of a sudden, enough water is taken away. The dirt underneath it, the road's kind of caved in. It's built a puddle. You come in, you hit the edge of that, boy, woo, two teeth. So do not ride through puddles. Ride around puddles. Don't ride through little piles of leaves. Not even little piles of leaves. If you see leaves kind of grouped up, don't ride through them. I just said that. I'm hammering that home, people. And because the reason is that you get an object that'll be in the road, water will come through, wind will come through, it'll blow, and all the leaves will get caught up on it. So you have like a cute little pile of leaves, might look like something fun to ride through. Don't do it. You have no idea what's under even that. Even if it's a small little strip of leaves, just that high off the ground, you can just barely. You got no idea. It could be a stick in there, gets wrapped up. Gee, purr. So don't ride your bike through none of that stuff. Puddles are wildly dangerous. I hear people when I hear about people get hurt and they're not drunk, it's because of puddles. So watch out for that. Watch out for leaves. And lastly, watch out for the wind. Because the wind, I've had wind bounce me just whoo, right? That didn't knock me over, just whoo. It blew me straight sideways, and I've gone at least a foot sideways. I try not to use any hyperbole, but man, I've had the wind blow me to where I'm like, whoa, what the heck? Also, the wind blowing in a way, kind of like we get like an undertow of wind and rain here, and it'll seem like I have a flat tire or one of my tires is bent, and I'll get wobbly, and it's just the wind just coming at me from weird directions. It can come at you from a strange direction and blow you where you do not want to be. So to sum it up, you got to have your fenders, you got to have your tires, you got to have your rain gear, good rain gear. Pay money for good reindeer. Yeah, get a reindeer too. You know, if you can hook up, well, we'll get into that later. But you want good rain gear, and if you have good rain gear, you're more likely to ride in the rain. I went a whole winter not riding in my first winter. I was like, oh, I'll get some. I'll get through this winter. No, you don't get through the winter. You just get wet, and you're like, man, I'm wet, and I don't like it. So put some money down on the rain gear. Avoid puddles. Avoid piles of leaves, and wind, avoid wind. Just be ready for wind. You can't avoid wind. You can't see it. You don't know where it's coming from. You can listen for it. Uh, but you know, just be aware that if it's a windy day, you could get blown sideways. Just, you know, hunker. Otherwise, that's it. I'm going to try to get out more videos. Thanks a lot for watching. If you have any comments or tips of your own, like, oh, you know what, here's other things you need to know about the weather. Go ahead. If you're a meteorologist, boom, give us some stuff down there. You've wiped out in the rain because of something. Go ahead and comment, like, subscribe. And until next time, ride safe, be seen, and have fun. I don't know how to turn the webcam off. I don't know. How,